In this video, I'll be showing you guys a new method on how to skip the wait time on Geforce Now. So, there have been many ways to skip the wait times before, but most of them have been patched. However, in this video, I'll be showing you the best and only way to properly skip the Geforce Now wait time queue. So the first thing you're going to do is go to this website right over here, gfn.zortos.me, and what you're going to do here is just simply look for a server with the lowest amount. There will be a video in the top right explaining what this is and anything else you would need to know about this website, so I highly recommend you guys watch that first. One important thing that you do need to know, however, is that these are only for Europe servers. I believe the people making this are going to try for other American servers too, so I will keep you guys updated when that does happen. Anyways, once you find the server with the lowest amount, which for me over here is NP-LON-03 with 22 people, you're going to go to this website right over here, which is status.geforcenow.com. And so the reason we do this is because we need to figure out which server is actually which. So as you can see on this website over here, it says NP-LON-03. So if I go into Geforce Now, you will see that there is no server that specifically says NP-LON-03 here. It'll say stuff like EU West, EU Northwest, EU Northeast, and stuff like that. So you're gonna just go back to the website and you're just gonna look for these servers. So you're gonna go under any Europe servers here. And while you're doing this, you also want to make sure that any server you were using before isn't under maintenance, as that can inflate queues. So if I was to go into the CAE server, I would have a substantially higher queue than any other server because it is under maintenance. So what you're going to do is just click on the plus icon right over here next to each server, and then you will be able to see these server names here. So if you just keep clicking the plus over here, and then you'll just be able to find the server. So right over here under EU West, I can see NP-LON-03, which matches this over here. So I know that the server is now EU West. So what I would need to do now is to just go back into Geforce Now and just click on EU West. And then you're just going to go click menu, click games, and then just run any game. And so as you can see, this queue only has 40 people, which is quite less if you think about it. I've seen queues with over 300, 400 people. So this will actually help you find the best server. One downside to this is that you will lag a lot more compared to a server that's near you. But I would say that if you can save time, it's probably better. You can also go back into the Zortos website right over here and just do any other servers. So if NP-LON-03, which is EU West, has a high queue, then just use the next best thing. So you can either go for NP-STH-02 or even this one right over here. It doesn't really matter as long as you don't go for these servers that have more than 100 people. Another thing that I would say is to try to join a game session at off-peak times. This means avoiding busy times of the day when lots of other people are also trying to play. Instead, try joining during the morning or late at night, where there are likely to be fewer people in wait queues. You do also need to check the time for the server you are choosing, as different servers will have different times depending on the location. So right now it would be night in London for my time, which is why I'm getting a lower queue than normal. If you were to choose any of the American servers at the time I'm playing at right now, which is 450, they would have far longer wait time since it is evening, which is considered a peak time. Anyways, I hope this video did help. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.